My name is Shwara Maheshwari. Today I am going to make fruit chaat. This is chickpea, this is banana, and this is pomegranate, and this is custard, and this is mango. And this is carrot for right canopy. Or pomegranate, then custard, then mix. Now put this on your canopies. Wrap it. Now tasty, this is ready.